Okay, so we are going to extract the data from our tags. I have the room tags here, window and door tags. We're going to have 3 different extractions, 3 different tables, and we'll start with the room tags. So this is going to be underneath manage, I believe. And it's not underneath manage. Let's see here. It's going to be underneath annotate. There it is. And underneath the annotate tab, we're going to click on extract data. So now it says, hey, what are you going to do here? We need to create a file. I want to create a new data extraction. So I'm going to call this the Molinari room schedule. Remember that we are using attributes. Okay, it says, hey, what do you want to do? I want to use all of the attributes in the drawing. Go ahead and let's look at all of them in the current drawing. And I'm going to hit next. And it's looking for them all. Well, right now it's giving me lots of different ones. Okay, I only want the blocks that have attributes. Okay, the blocks that only have attributes. So now I click all these off and I'm looking for attributes only, and I want the room tag. Really simple. We're going to do all of them, but we're only going to do one right now. So we're going to make sure that we limit all of our options by clicking on attributes only. I'm going to click next. And again, I have way too many options here. All I want is the one that says attributes only. So now we're going to get here and we're going to look at all of the different things we have here. Okay. Color, floor type, notes, room size. Those are all the things that you already filled in. Then we're going to click next one more time. And now here's all the stuff you typed in. We do not want the count. We don't need count for this one. For the rooms, we are not going to combine identical rows. There is none. And then the name column, we're going to get rid of that. Now we need to put these in order. It's going to go room name, and I'm literally going to drag them. And then it's floor type, I believe, or size. And then I was lazy. I didn't put in the square footage. I'm clicking and dragging. Floor type and notes. And you can see I put in notes. Cubs blow, Cubs suck, Cubs suck, Cubs are horrible. Okay, we're going to get these in order. Now you'll notice up here that when it did it automatically combined these. For it says room size, I want to rename these. Okay, and I got to click on rename column in order to split that apart. So it says rename column. I can put this as whatever I want. I just really want a space in there for room size. And then square footage I need to rename. I need a space in there as well. Square footage. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is continue to hit next. All right. Last thing is you got to hit there, and we want these to be in alphabetical order. So there it goes: bedroom, dining room, kitchen. I click next. Insert the data into the drawing. Click next. All right. You want to title it room schedule. And click next. Finish, and it's actually really small. So small. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Now, there's a way to update this. So maybe I have 2 Cubs sucks. One of them is in dining room. We didn't want to have that, so we need to update our schedule. So let's see here. I'm going to go to the dining room, double click on it, and where it says Cubs suck, we'll change this to will never win again. Now we've updated that. I go back to my table and you see nothing happened. Okay. What we need to do is we need to update this table, and we're going to right click on the table, update the table, and now it says the Cubs will never win again. Okay. So once you start the table, you can continually update it. All right. I'm going to do this one more time for the window schedule, but I'm going to go fast. Extract the data, new one. This time it's going to be called the Molinari door schedule. I'm going to click save. I'm going to click next again. All right. We only want the ones with attributes. You're just going to do the same thing over again, but this time only doors. Click next. I want only the ones with attributes. Okay, click next. Okay, and then we have the door tags. I didn't put anything in here. All right, we do want the count column. We want the symbols. So the symbols are first. How do you know which is first? You go look at the example I gave you. All right, and we want to know how many there are. So if I click on the arrow, it goes up and down. Where this says door swing, we got to rename or space it out there. Click next. Okay, name it, insert this data table in here, click next. Okay, this is going to be the door schedule. I'm going to do it wrong. Click next, click finish, and you do not move it anywhere, and you just drop it right in here, and there it goes. Okay, I'll show you how to edit this in class, but for right now, that's how you're able to get it. And again, you can edit and put all those symbols in. Notice I didn't put any of the symbols in, so I'll go back to here, put the symbols in, and then we can update it. That's it. That's extracting data from room, window, and door schedules. Good luck, and don't ask any questions.